Apple is about to kick off a once-in-a-generation reset for the iPhone, a 3-year reinvention plan that started this September. The goal? Make the iPhone feel new again. As we leaked months earlier, Apple revealed the iPhone Air model 3 days ago. Lighter, slimmer, designed to make the iPhone exciting again. They also revealed a bold new orange color for the Pro models. Apple knows iPhone upgrades have felt incremental. This is the year they relight the fuse. A strikingly thin air to recapture the wow bolder Pro colors for identity, and a runway that leads to something we haven't seen from Apple in iPhone land. A foldable, which we also leaked a while back. 2027, this is where it gets really interesting, because 2027 isn't just another year for Apple. It's the 20th anniversary of the iPhone. Think about that, 2 whole decades since Steve Jobs held up that first iPhone in 2007. Now ask yourself, does Apple celebrate a milestone like that with just another camera bump? No way. Industry insiders are already whispering about a radical redesign, something bold enough to honor 20 years of the world's most iconic gadget. What will it look like? Maybe the first portless iPhone or something way cooler? Nobody knows yet. But here's the kicker. Every move Apple makes with the iPhone 17 this year and the foldable next year is laying the runway for that anniversary model. The iPhone 20th anniversary isn't just going to be a product. It's going to be a statement. And trust me, you're going to want to see it. So here's the art, 2025. Make it feel new again with Air, which is also a testing playground for the Fold. Apple proved they could make a really thin phone. Now imagine what it's going to look like when they have more space for components. 2026, shock the market with the Fold. 2027, lock in the identity with another bold redesign for the iPhone's 20th birthday. It's momentum by design. This is what the leaks are pointing to, but to be honest, it doesn't make sense to me. I think the most likely outcome is this. The anniversary iPhone is actually the Fold. It doesn't make sense for Apple to release the foldable a year before the anniversary, and then in 2027, something more exciting. But let's hope it's going to be according to the leak. If you made it this far, you're the real one. Smash that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.